I am thrilled to share
Hi,
that I
myself
have completed my
Shreya.
MA
I
internship
have
with Unified
completed
Mentor.
my
From
internship
understanding the
with
basics
Unified
of
Mentor
supervised
as a
learning deep
full
learning to
stack web
deploying my
development
first model,
intern. It
the
was a
journey
great
was
learning
interesting but
experience.
rewarding.
I got
The
to work
weekly
on the
doubt clearing
projects
session were
like
a lifesaver if you
weather
are
app
looking for
which
a
uses
structured way
API
to break into
integration
data
or
science. I
student teacher
definitely
booking
recommended
appointments
checking out
which also
Unified
uses
Mentor's
Firebase
internship
and Cloud
program. Looking
Firestore.
forward to
I
applying
had
these skills in my next
such a
big
great
project.
time working on this
I
project,
am
which
thrilled to share that I
makes
have
my
completed
knowledge
my MA
or
internship
my
with
theoretical
Unified Mentor.
knowledge worked
From
into the practical
understanding the
ones.
basics of
It
supervised learning,
improved
deep
my
learning to
skills
deploying
in
my first
HTML,
model,
CSS,
the journey was
JavaScript,
interesting
and
but rewarding.
also I
The
happened to
weekly
learn
doubt
new
clearing
skills
session were a
like
lifesaver
React,
if you
Node,
are looking for a
and
structured way to break
Firebase
into
as
data
well.
science. I definitely
I
recommended
had such a
checking
great
out
time.
Unified
Overall, the
Mentors internship program.
mentors in
Looking
Unified
forward to
Mentor are
applying
so
these skills in
supportive.
my
Any
next big
doubts can be
project.
solved if I message them
I
or
am
call
thrilled
them
to
in any
share that
time,
I have
which
completed my
was a
MA
great thing
internship
which
with
makes
Unified
every
Mentor.
task
From
easier.
understanding the basics of
Thank you,
supervised learning,
Unified
deep learning
Mentor,
to
for
deploying my
giving
first
me this
model, the
opportunity, and I
journey was
recommend to
interesting
all
but
the
rewarding.
students to gain the
The
work
weekly doubt clearing session
experience
were a
and the
lifesaver if
real
you
life
are looking
experience
for
through
a
this.
structured way to
Thank
break
you.
into data science.